Ultrasonic cleaner temperature control meter shows no growth or slow growth of data. Observation of contactors and circuit breakers. Whether there are obvious signs of burnout. If there are signs of burnout, replace the corresponding components. No burnout. Observe circuit breaker status. Open the circuit breaker and then close it again. Normal heating means problem solved. Close the gate and check if the contactor is absorbed. Use a stylus to check for power at the top and bottom of the contactor. If no power indicates that the contactor is damaged, replace it. If there is power, use a clamp on ammeter to detect no current or abnormal current. Need to replace the corresponding heating tube or clean the surface of the heating tube.